I did not want him to leave, but I couldn't stop him.
How can you go find Mom? There's no way. Russia's so big. You're not going to find her.
And he used to say that at school. I'm going to Russia when I grow up. I want to go back to Russia.
And I'm going to kiss the ground.
Because I've been thinking about this for years and years. I had every single scenario there in my head. Maybe I have brothers, maybe I have a new sister, maybe my mother passed away.
Sure, as babies, yeah, adopt somebody who's a baby, but not somebody who's 8 years old.
This is all that she has. This is all that he has. I can't split a family apart.
I don't think she's really realizing that I actually want a new family here and I want to live here.
Call me now, right now. And I said, well, I can't right now. I'm busy. He said, no, right now.
We found Mother. I can't even think right now. This is amazing.
Wow, you're really happy. Then he was not happy.
She's gonna die soon.